Season greetings, my viewers in Nigeria and diaspora. Hello everyone. It's a beautiful day right here in Lagos State, Nigeria. Today is another beautiful day to give you the latest update, end of the year update on Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. But before I go further, let me wish you prosperous New Year's to my clients in Nigeria and diaspora and my YouTube family. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your patronage. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate you. I did not take it for granted. Thank you for subscription, for likes, for comments, for everything on this YouTube family. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below just to encourage us to be able to do more on this great work that we are doing, right? Just to make sure that we keep you updated on this great project on Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. This is another update on our Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway road tour. So today I'm going to take you, I've done the road tour from Victoria Island down to Eleko right here. If you check my video, we see the last drone footage that I did from Songotedo down to Eleko and the normal proper road tour that we drive down to Eleko. But I just want to give you a short video of this flyover of this Eleko that I'm working on this Eleko that's going to cross across the other side because of the Dangote trucks and the other trucks coming from Lekki Deep Sea Port and Lekki Filtration Zone, right? So because of the heavy traffic, so that they will not be climbing the bridge, they will be passing through the under bridge. That's why they are constructing this flyover right here at Eleko. I'd like to please stay tuned. Make sure that you watch to the end as I'm going to take you on a drone footage of this beautiful flyover right here at Eleko in Lagos State, Nigeria. Also, before I take you on a drone footage of this flyover, I want to really appreciate our number one citizen of this great nation, Nigeria, Mr. President, the Jagaban of Africa. Thank you for this great initiative. Thank you for taking the giant step to embark on this project. Really appreciate you because this is really a great project and it's going to help our great nation, Nigeria. This project is going to cost across 9 states. I also want to really appreciate the Minister for Works, that's Dr. David Umai, for the supervision of this great project. Really appreciate you. Thank you for the great work that you are doing. Really appreciate you. Our major prayer is for you that God will help you to finish the project, because we don't pray that you abandon this project. Our major prayer is for you to finish as you started. We pray that you will finish everything, because it's going to help this great nation, Nigeria. But not only that, so we are still demanding for more to help us to fix all the major roads on the highway, so that the issue of insecurity will come to an end here in this great nation, and so that people can travel without any panic or any stress or any potholes on the road. We want to enjoy beautiful road in this great nation. But we really appreciate for the great one you are doing, most especially the one you started doing at Benin Expressway, Shagamu Benin Express. We can see that the concrete work is ongoing on that axis as well. So we really appreciate you. I'll be right back to give you more special information, and in case if you have interest in buying property around this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, most especially right here at Eleko, close by to this this particular coastal highway right here in Eleko. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is an update on the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway around the Eleko Junction. So they are working on the flyover right here at Eleko. This drone footage that I'm doing today, I'm going to connect it to one of the best property that's close to Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway that you need to take advantage of right now before price increase or everything is sold out. It's called Jennifer Gardens. So I'm going to take you straight down from this coastal highway and connect it to Eleko Beach Road, and you see that the Jennifer Garden is very close by to. It's just a walkable distance from Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway right here, and it's free from any form of encroachment, demolition, right? It's a good investment to really key into right here before everything sold out, because investors in diaspora and Nigeria, they are rushing it. It's almost sold out. But you need to take advantage of the promo price now before price increase. Stay tuned, relax as we enjoy the rest of the video to the end. This is massive work ongoing on flyover right here at Eleko. You can see massive work ongoing on. The last road tour that we did, they've not really gone far on this flyover, but as of today now, a lot of pillars is standing stronger right here at Eleko, and they are really working very fast. They are on break now. Once they resume back by next year, so they are going to rush this project because they are really working very fast on this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. And you can actually drive from VI down to Eleko Junction right here now. The road is motorable. They are not done with the road, but you can drive down to this Eleko and connecting to Lekki Akwa Expressway or going to Refinery Filtration Zone or anywhere you are going to. Right, so that's Eleko Beach that you're looking at down there at the back there. That's Eleko Beach there, and this road is going to Refinery, going to Filtration Zone, going to Deep Sea Port, going to Lakampai Tropicana, right? And just close by to this junction right here, we have one of the best property that's free from any form of government demolition or encroachment. Jennifer Garden precisely is owned by Funke Akindele and close by to Eme Phase 1 and Eme Phase 2. So I'm going to take you down from this particular junction right here and down to, Jennifer Gardens, and you can see other expansion. They are working close by to this Eleko flyover right here. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, and drop a comment below if you like this what we do. Please want really to encourage us to be able to do more. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment. We want to hear your opinion about this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you. Thank you so much for 2025. Let's do greater. Let's do better in the year 2026. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end, as I'm going to link you to Jennifer Gardens right now. So this is a Eleko Beach Road. From here to Eleko Junction is just 5-minute drive, and this is a Jennifer Gardens by the right here. You can see they are working on this, and they are working on another bridge here, expanding this road. They are expanding the road. So Jennifer Garden just facing the Eleko Beach Road. You can see, so they are expanding this bridge, so they are working on it. They are expanding the road, and that's the Jennifer Gardens that you are looking at. Our gate out is standing, and we are preparing for first batch allocation right here at Jennifer Gardens. If you pay outright, you are going to get your allocation on time at Jennifer Gardens. I'm going to do proper video on Jennifer Gardens. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I really appreciate you. God bless you.